Get in this room right now, Jason. I'm gonna whoop your ass. Magna, you better come through this door. 5, 4.
Fair. Everybody else gets to stay up so late. Why is my bedtime so early? Mom, you're not fair. I did all my chores and my homework. You make me go to bed? It's not fair. Daddy, you're...
Yes!
No.
Let's take it!
No.
Jason!
All you daddy do is make weird sounds in your room.
That is...
Go to bed. And I know what you're doing. You're making little babies.
Magna, lay the fuck down.
Daddy didn't tuck me in. Tuck me in.
That is gonna fuck your ass up.
My daddy took me in.
That is gonna beat you with the fucking belt. Panova! Lay out!
No.
You better lay that ass down, boy.
I'm on camera, aren't I?
Yeah.
You know the